Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have some project shares for you, and these are going to Miss Tamika, who is Tamika Sending Smiles here on YouTube. I will put her links in the description box below. She is hosting a birthday hat challenge and for the month of July, and all the details will be in the link provided, and you can check her out. You got until July to get your entries into her. July or end of June. Go check out the link. Don't don't quote me. But anyway, here are my projects that I want to share with you. I made 5 hats. There are 5 Sundays in July, so let's go. And these are the first 2 hats that I made. I did this on our live on Them Crafty Girls. And this one is just a superhero paper pad that I had in my stash, and I was trying to save it for a scrapbook for my son and I, because he loves superheroes, and I figured whatever, better use it, better now than never, because it's been years and now he's getting ready to graduate from college. And so what I did, this is a cut apart from the paper pad, from the paper collection. And I put some, you can see there, the foam stickers, Dollar Tree, the foam stickers on the roll. I put some foam behind the cut apart, and then I layered it up on some cardstock, some yellow cardstock. And then I just fussy cut around it just to give it, you know, extra dimension and all that stuff. And then I glued it, just the bottom edge. You can see I added some foam tape on the bottom, just down on the bottom behind here. And that's what I used to attach it to the birthday hat. So while I was making this, Ebony was suggesting to make them look like they're flying. So I grabbed some acetate, which they don't look like they're flying, but they look like they're floating, because, you know, they're not in the position of flight. So I just used that and went ahead and used that. The other thing she asked us was to make it non-gender, but, you know, girls can like superheroes too, like me. I like superheroes. I did use my Cricut. I found a party hat template from Cricut, and if you just use that template, the other side here connects, and it has some attachments where you just secure it through the little holes that are right here. I don't mind that those show. I wanted the hat a little bigger, so I layered it onto some cardstock, and it gave it a little bit more height and a little wider circumference, I guess. And then I don't have any elastic, so I used some ribbon from my stash, and I just attached it with some hot glue, and I took my 1-inch circle punch and just punched out a circle just to secure it even more. And then they can secure it using the ribbon. So there you go. That's the back of the hat. Added a little pom-pom from my stash, and I thought that looked good. This is another cut apart. I fussy cut and also mounted on foam. Or did I? No, it's flat. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Pow, 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 boom. So that's the first hat I made on the live. This is the second hat I made on the live. And this is another paper pad collection. Both of these collections, I don't remember where I picked them up. It might be from a D-stash. It might be from Tuesday Morning. It was just one of those kind of paper pads that, you know, it has a lot of fun. This one has a lot of fun emoji theme. So I thought that would be cute. It came with its own layered stickers. That's from the collection, the faces. So is the selfie. Now the selfie is a sticker from the collection, and I just stuck it down to cardstock and then fussy cut around, and then just added some foam behind it and layered it on some folded paper, and then some crepe paper trim that I had from a gift from Christian's Crafty Adventures. So this is the Dollar Tree snow tool, and this was a light green. You can see it down here. So I added the trim to the top. It's got a layer of yellow, blue, and green. This one is just the green. Nope, I lied. It's also got the layering. There's several colors together, but this is the green and purple, I believe. So multiple colors. It's just mainly trying to grab the colors from the collection. So that's the second hat. I did make 3 more, and here they are. Okay, move it to the side. So this one, this is from Dollar Tree. It's one of those gift toppers, ribbon. And I pulled off the sticky part and just stuck it onto the tip of my hat. And then I tried to disguise it with the trim again, crepe paper trim. I was trying to use up what I've already received in my stash. It's all in my stash. This paper collection, it's a different collection. I can't remember what collection this is. It's a birthday themed collection. And I think I've already put it away, so I'm so sorry. Oh, it's a Hooray. It's from Hooray. You guys know. It's crepe paper? Hooray paper collection. And it has the thickers, so I finally used my thickers. And I put it on some acetate again. And I just made them all, you know, wiggly. Thought that would be fun. Look at that. I had a rosette, crepe paper rosettes in my stash already. I had this punch circle in my stash. There is more of the Hooray puffy sticker right there. So he is actually holding on to a gift. So it's a package, but I wanted a cupcake. So I pulled this cupcake from Dollar Tree sticker collection and put it in front of him with some foam tape. And then I had more trim again onto the bottom. Now I did the same technique as I did the other 2 hats. Just cut it with the Cricut, and then I layered it onto some cardstock just to make it taller and make it, you know, a little bigger. Here I added these cupcake stickers again on some pipe cleaners and just glued it on there. So you can see that you have a little bit of movement, a lot of the party action, and then you have this puffy. Now it might be a little gender friendly because I don't know, because it's pink, but I thought the bear would be cute. I added my ribbon and I did the same thing, attaching the ribbon. But you know, we got superheroes, we got emojis, and we've got the party theme right there. I thought that would be pretty awesome. Again, using the Hooray collection. Here's the paper, here's more of the thickers, and then I added some of the tulle. And again, these are crepe paper rosettes from my stash. And this one has some pom-poms on it. This is a little birthday llama from the collection. And he had some presents on his back. This is also from the collection. Happy birthday. And then I had this party trim here. It was gifted to me. I think it was from Sele. But yeah, there you go. It's the tablecloth cover. And then you make trim. I do that myself also. And so I added some pom-poms to the top of this hat. Sparkly pom-poms. You got 3 on the bottom and 1 on the very top. And this one just says yay on the acetate again. So fun. I love it. Love, love, love the acetate. And then the very last hat I have is a blue one. It's also from the same paper collection. And I have the tablecloth trim again. I made this one. I just had a short piece left over, so I went from the left over to the top and over to the right. Added some of the puffy stickers from the collection again. Had to layer this one up a little bit because it's kind of, you know, it's slanted. And so that's a puffy sticker there, puffy sticker, and this is from the chipboard part of the collection. Little puffy sticker up here. And then I use another one of those Dollar Tree fluffy toppers. Thought that was cute. So that is the last hat. And I'll still with the ribbon, the same ribbon. So those are my birthday hat entries for Tamika Sending Smiles. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and go check out Tamika. She is having this challenge go until July, I believe. So yeah, like I said, I will leave the info in the description box down below. And oh yeah, I trimmed the bottom of this one with my picking scissors. This one right here from Fiskars. It was supposedly my dedicated fabric picking shears, but I use it for paper now. And I just use the hole punch on this one. So all the hats are a little bit different and a little bit the same. So that is it, guys. I hope you had fun. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel. Join our little crafty family. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I load a new video or when I go live on my channel. So I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching.